Yeah, I don't know about y'all, but that's pretty early for me. One, my dad especially, he had to stay up all night looking for his wallet. We're up now and we are ready to go catch some fish on the Big G. Alright folks, we are now at the boat ramp. That's our good buddy Mitch. He has an awesome 21-foot Phoenix to fish now the little 18.5-foot Triton. Exactly 7 o'clock right now. And we're about to get on the water and try to catch some big G-bill largemouth. Let's go get on a good bite. We'll see you on the water. I wonder if those are stripe or what.
I think most of them are bass.
Oh. Yeah.
Do or don't?
No. Yes. No. I had one. Oh, it's you. Oh no, I still got him. I knew I had one. Yeah, little bass. Little bass. Schooler number 1. Very next cast. All right.
Oh, good fish. You got one? Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Hang on to it.
You got him on video?
Go ahead.
Alright, sweet.
I lost him.
No, no.
Son of a gun.
Man, that thing was 7 pounds. You'll probably throw up when you see that little instant replay.
He wasn't coming off.
Alright, good deal. Got him. Oh, dang.
Flipping at its greatest, ain't it? Get him in the roof of the mouth.
Heck yeah. Flipping hook. Sweet. Big bass, big bass, big bass. Alright. Woohoo! There we go. Alright, Pop's got a good one here. First big one of the day for sure. Oh, 4 pounds.
Locked in at 3.
It said 4, then she dropped down to 3.
Good job, bud.
So we're gonna say 3 1/4.
Thank you.
Yeah, you gotta get a picture.
Alright. Alright.
Bitch. Job. There he is. At the
We get all
boat.
the little ones out of your way. How about that?
Right.
How dark he is.
Guntersville color. Dang, that's a pretty fish. He's a mean little fella. But he's a pretty fish though.
Yeah. Must be in a school right there. Of course. How dark isn't it? Wow.
I haven't seen many largemouth that dark ever. That's neat. All right, folks, I caught on a crankbait that might actually catch him. He's over here just one after the other. All right, another schooler.
What'd you do? Powerful.
In the meanwhile, we got this new innovation. They released this at ICAST this year. We call it the Lip Bomber. Oh.
Oh, we got it. That's a good fish.
It's really not.
It's not.
No.
I think you made him mad.
I don't think he likes the flopper.
Oh, yeah, we got it.
Oh, we doubled out.
Oh, come on.
No.
Sound like a good fish.
We were almost doubled up. Put out the go-to whopper popper, you know. And got me one. All right, you got one. Teeny Timmy right there.
We in the land of the giant.
He's a future big one right there.
Future big one.
That's why you release him. Hooked up. Oh, he's on it. Ah, let it sit there too long. We on a school of future minded. How are you catching them? I'm not. We're throwing in the same spot. You tell me that. Better looking fish. Starting to wonder if it's a lure or just me. You wanted it. No! Come on. Yeah, you couldn't decide if you wanted it or not.
Whoa.
Haha. Toss him back in there. Yeah.
Oh, you got that rod, boy.
Oh, he's not bad.
That's a good fish.
He's not bad at all, yeah. Alright. Flip up. Boom. That's a chunky little dude right there.
Probably 3.25, yeah.
I said 3.5, he says 3 3/4.
Oh, come on. 3.7.
About 3.5. Second real good one today. Boom. Alright guys, 12 o'clock, midday update. We've gone to about 4 different spots now, and we found this little spot here on this little ledge type of deal and annihilated them. So we're now going to try a similar spot to what we just fished and catch more largies. Let's get it now. That's some bass right there, folks. He feels good. He might just have a bunch of grass with him. I don't know.
Oh,
Yep.
good fish.
That's him.
All right.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. Woo. Yeah.
Got him.
Got him.
Yes, sir. Hey, got me a good one. Boom, boom, baby. Approximately 3.
3.25.
3.7.
3, okay, 3.5. Sweet. My first good one today. My time was just coming. Everybody else had caught one, but I finally got me a good one. Mitch, appreciate it, man. Sweet. All right, what did I put this? 3.5 pounds. That's what I'm talking about. It's not. Hey, that's not too bad at all. I'm barely hooked any net. It's a good little fish. All right, sweet. Good fish. Oh, dude, I got one.
Oh, you do, don't you?
You're kidding me.
What on earth? Oh, that's a pretty good one. Are you kidding? No. No, he came off. Dang. Good fish, Mitch. There he is. Oh, just kidding. That's not a fish. Oh. View.
Onto the boat. Big choke it too, look at that.
Hey, you wearing them out, son.
Good fish, Mitch.
3.75. 3.6.
Sweet.
And here we go.
Enough big stranger.
Boom. 5 good fish, I'd say, today. That's him. Oh, man.
Coming up.
Oh! I got the jump. Oh, that's a good fish.
I need a net.
Yeah. Wow.
We almost
One hook.
There you go.
Nah, that's a healthy one. Chunky.
Y'all are looking at a legend.
Big comedian, huh? We'll take it.
Mitch is gonna be a YouTube star after catching all these fish. So guys, we're gonna call that a wrap on the Big G today. Hope y'all enjoyed that phenomenal fishing day. Thanks for carrying us out here, bud.
Oh, anytime.
It was awesome. We'll see you on another episode of Malcolm Fan Fishing.